Hey friends, this is the Wagner Flexio 2500. It's a really nice handheld paint sprayer. We're repainting our cabinets, and this is the tool that we're going to use. On today's video, I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to show you how to set it up for the first time so you can get started on your own projects. Let's do it. Now this Flexio 2500 is going to be perfect for either paint or stain. So as you can see, it's meant for medium exterior jobs, maybe a fence or a shed or a small room. Now they make a larger version of 3500 or even bigger if you're looking for larger jobs, but this is going to work great for our needs. So this is everything included in the box, and as you can see, it requires zero assembly basically. There is one assembly piece which you have the option to use, and that is these bag liners. These liners actually go inside of your cup here, and they protect from paint getting directly on the cup. Again, those are optional, but it is nice for cleanup and to save paint if you don't use all of it. Now we have the main turbine unit here. Now this is what pulls air in. As you can see, there's a little filter back here. You can actually pull this cap off and replace those filters using these two tabs right there. Here are the replacement filters if you want to change those out. This also comes with a little cleaning brush and some petroleum jelly. Now basically we start with our cup and the front nozzle area. And again, all you need to do is unscrew the cup from the bottom, just like this. You can see we have the little pull area right here that the paint goes up through, and that leaves the cup here available for us. Where you can pour paint directly in here, like I said, or we can grab one of those baggies to put as a liner. So if you choose to use one of these liners, basically we can just take these, there's two of them that are included, and we can come in here, basically spread out the bottom so that it covers all of the edges inside. You're gonna have a little bit of excess here at the top, so we're just gonna fold that over on either side and get it nice and pressed up, and that is now ready to put some paint in. Okay, next thing we can do is actually put that cup directly back onto the nozzle. As you can see, even with that little liner, it twists on and gets nice and tight, just like we need it to. And again, offers us a little bit of protection on the bottom of this little cup here. Now, the way this works is it actually snaps in using this little tab down here. So what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna cock this to the side, just like this. You're gonna bring it over, you can push that down with your thumb, and as you can see, that locks right into place. That tab slides into this little plastic pivot point, and that holds it on nice and easy. So there you go, we're all assembled, ready to paint. All we need to do is plug this in and we should be ready to go. Now there are a couple of small things we do need to take note of. We have our power switch here, or actually on the other side, you can flick it if you have that finger available and it's easier for you. So again, two power switch options. We also have two power modes. As you can see, 1 or 2. Again, you're gonna get more power, pushing more paint through. We also have a dial knob that allows paint to come through at specific intervals. So again, you can dial this in based off of your specific project. Up front here, we have either a very fine stream or a wider spray. Again, that's adjusted just by twisting this back and forth. And then finally up front, we have a nozzle that we can turn on either side like this. And this is going to give us directional spray based off of how we are wanting to paint. So there you go, friends. That is a very quick kind of setup, basic tutorial for using the Wagner Flexio 2500. Again, a great little tool. We are going to go ahead and get started on our project with it. So this has helped. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we will see you again on the next one.